Everyone is talking about ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. But which AI is actually the best in 2026? I tested all three across writing, coding, research, and productivity, and the results surprised me. Each of these AI assistants has its own strengths and weaknesses. Some are better for writing, others excel at research, coding, or productivity. So I put all three through the same tests to find out which one actually performs best. Let's start with writing. I gave all three AI assistants the exact same prompt. Write a professional blog introduction about artificial intelligence. ChatGPT produced a well-structured and polished response. Gemini delivered a concise and easy-to-read version, and Claude generated the most natural and human-like writing of the three. For writing quality, Claude takes the win. Next, I tested how well each AI handles research. I asked all three to explain the latest trends in AI automation. ChatGPT delivered detailed explanations with strong reasoning. Gemini stood out by providing broader coverage and more up-to-date information. Claude excelled at summarizing large amounts of content into clear insights. But when it came to overall research performance, Gemini came out on top. So far, the results have been surprisingly close. But the coding test completely changed the leaderboard. One AI clearly stood above the rest, and the winner wasn't even close. For the coding test, I gave all three AI assistants the same challenge. Create a responsive navigation bar using HTML and CSS. ChatGPT generated clean, well-structured code with helpful explanations. Gemini produced a solid solution but required a few additional refinements. Claude handled larger code blocks impressively and provided detailed implementation guidance. But when it came to overall coding performance, ChatGPT was the clear winner. Most people don't use AI for coding. They use it to get work done faster. So I tested all three assistants on common productivity tasks: writing emails, summarizing meetings, planning projects, and organizing daily work. ChatGPT proved to be the most versatile overall. Gemini worked especially well within the Google ecosystem, and Claude excelled when analyzing long documents and complex information. In this category, the results were extremely close. So here's the quick takeaway. If you're a developer, ChatGPT is probably your best choice. If research is your priority, Gemini has a clear advantage, and if you spend most of your time writing, Claude is hard to beat. Now I want to hear from you. Which AI do you use the most? Leave a comment below, and subscribe to AI Future Pilot for more AI tools, tutorials, and comparisons.